What's left of Tropical Storm Barry is dumping rain from Louisiana all the way to Indiana. And Memphis is right smack dab in the middle. Good evening, I'm Annette Pegler. The Local 24 storm team has been watching Barry slowly creep north, causing major flooding and some minor damage. Meteorologist Chelsea Chandler rejoins us now with another look at this storm's track. Chelsea.
Yeah, we've been keeping an eye on it. It's been moving very slow, which has not been good in the way of rainfall. As you can see, now an area of low pressure. What's left of Barry continues to bring its outer bands into Mississippi, through Tennessee, and into Arkansas. So we've been watching for that. We've already seen close to 2 inches of rain for some, and of course we are not out of it yet. Unfortunately, we are still dealing with an active radar. Mostly just seeing lighter rain, or some of the heaviest, though, in North Mississippi right now. But we will see potentially up to 2 more inches of rain in a short amount of time. That's why we have this flash flood watch for the entire Mid-South until 7 p.m. on Tuesday. So again, turn around, don't drown. We say that because we mean it. We also are tracking a threat for some possible strong to severe weather that could spin up when it comes to these bands. That's pretty typical when it comes to tropical systems. So I'm tracking the timing, what you could be seeing not only through the evening, through much of the week, and what it's going to look like on the backside of Barry once he gets out of here. I've got to look at all of that coming up in your full forecast.
Chelsea, thank you. The remnants of Barry are affecting all of us here in the Mid-South. We've had plenty of rain, flash flooding, and even a tornado warning to our east. You're looking at video we took earlier today of some pretty waterlogged streets in Cooper Young. Right now, Local 24 news reporter Caitlin McCarthy is driving east on I-40, checking for any spots that could be dangerous for drivers. And Caitlin, how's it looking out there right now?
Annette, the roads aren't too bad right now, and like you said, we're going eastbound on I-40. There's plenty of cars going at the normal speed limit around us, but the rain is only going to continue. The Shelby County Emergency Management says people should be proactive and not reactive when it comes to this weather. Emergency Management is advising people to keep an eye on the forecast. It'll be helpful for you to know what's expected, have a plan if your home or area is affected, have a safe place to be, and have a disaster kit with medical supplies, necessary medications, enough food for a week, and if you have pets, enough supplies and food for them. The Director of Emergency Management said if you're driving, turn around, don't drown. When you see standing water, it could be deeper than you think.
I want you to turn around, don't drown. Remember, 6 inches of water will knock you or I down. 12 inches of water will move a vehicle. Know the terms. A flood watch just means be vigilant, but if you hear something that says flood warning, then you need to take some type of action because there will possibly be some flooding.
Again, we're driving eastbound on I-40, and again, the traffic is moving pretty steady, and it's not a lot of slick roads right now, but Jones says to remain vigilant and be weather aware. And of course, our Local 24 storm team will keep you updated with the latest updates on the forecast. Live in East Memphis, Caitlin McCarthy, Local 24 News.